Yes!
Hello.
Hi!
How are you?
I'm great, how are you? Look at this weather!
So nice. We're here to ask you a couple questions about the workshop.
Yes, please.
So, could you tell me a bit about where we are right now?
Yes, well,
So-
you probably see this logo. This means equals. That's the name of the space. It's a co-working space for female, and this is my second home.
And could you tell me a bit about the workshop?
About the workshop, what do you want to know? How long it is?
Yeah.
Where is it? Who comes?
It's called Designing Your Life for Women. What is designing your life?
Yes, what is designing your life? So there's several words. Design your life. What is design, right? You design for products. So what does it mean for your life? Because everything started at the design school of Stanford Design, and we apply design thinking tools to our own lives. I know it sounds very strange, but you don't have to be a creative or designer to join this workshop.
Could we go inside and get a look?
Of course, come in.
So we are here in the elevator. We'll get to the second floor, but our workshop is in the ground floor.
Yes. If this space had a voice, what would it say?
It would say, come in, it will be feminine, and it will be taking care of you.
And what's something that always surprises participants?
That a lot of great insights are in here, inside them.
What's your favorite part of the workshop day?
My favorite part is not a specific part, morning or evening. It's more the sparkle when this happens. Sometimes it's at the very beginning, when people get to connect with each other, when there's a moment of maybe, wow, they're like, wow, this is so useful. Or when they get to create, everything is personal. But what I love is the magic happening between the participants.
What is something that people usually feel walking into the workshop?
They feel curious.
And walking out?
Really excited about going out there and taking action of everything they learned.
Nice. And what's one word that describes the vibe during the workshop?
Well, this is a special moment. It's a gift to yourself. So I would say me moment, but together.
Should we get some water?
Yeah, please come in.
What is your approach as a facilitator?
My approach as a facilitator is bringing the magic of putting people together in a room. It's a woman's circle, it's surprise, it's creativity.
Yeah. And what inspired you to create this workshop?
Well, the book, Designing Your Life.
Yes. And what kind of women come here?
Many women come to the workshop. Usually when they're a place where they feel that there's something about their life they want to take their next step. Either it's a small transition or big transition. Either it's personal or professional, or it's even geographical.
And what would you say to someone who's thinking of joining?
I would say have a look, check what it is about, come to our webinar, talk to your friend what they say about it, and if it's something for you, sign up.
What's one thing you wish every woman knew?
That the power is inside you and you got this. Bisous bisous. Hope to see you.